What's up, guys? It's Alpha Blue, and let me give you guys a very quick breakdown on Euro USD today. So this is Euro USD on the 15-minute time frame, and then this pair is actually doing something really interesting right now. It's at a very tricky like zone right now because if you look at the uh macro structure or the bigger time frame, you see that it's buying and at the same time at a point where you begin to expect to see the sellers coming. Meanwhile, even on the lower time frames, the same thing is happening. So on the larger time frame, the market has been bullish, right? But then when you look at the bigger picture, you see that Euro USD has been bearish for a long time. For a long time. This whole bullish move that has taken place for the past few months is more of like a correction of that bearish move. So let's go to the weekly or monthly time frame. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now, this is Euro USD, right? On the monthly. So even on the monthly, you can see that it's more like it has been going down, right? It has been going down. Now look at this long bearish move. So that's what I'm talking about. Right now, if I'm to say the trend of Euro USD, like in a very long time, I would say that it has been bearish, you guess, because this is right from 2014, right here. We got all this move. No, sorry. Is it 2014? Yeah, that's what it is. 2014. It has been going down. It doesn't come all the way here again. So now, this is the point that I'm interested at. From here, we began to see this very strong bearish move. From here, we began to see this very strong bearish move that came all the way to this point, right? And this was since around 2021. Now, if you were to look at this market, it continued the bearish move, right? Broke structure right about here and gave a new low. So what do you think is going to happen next? Like, what do you think is going to happen next? Of course, what will likely happen is for Euro USD to form a lower high, then continue down to form a lower low. That is what is expected. To form a lower high, then it continues the bearish trend to form a lower low. Of course, that's what is expected. This is the monthly time frame, by the way. So if you look at the bigger picture, you see that Euro USD has been trending downwards. It has been going down. So right now, if you use your fib to mark this move, you see that Euro USD is almost exactly at the 0.5 level. It's exactly at the 0.5 level if you look at it right now. So this could just be, this whole bullish move will be a 50% correction of this bearish move. It could be, you get. Then we continue to see the bearish move. But I know that before something like this will happen, there needs to be like very strong fundamental aspect to it. Like we need to see very strong fundamental reasons, like real life economic events that will actually drive this market down and change the sentiment to continue bearish as it has been for a long while, you get. But then this is using just technical analysis, we can still see that it's very possible for us to continue this bearish move. Like, see, just at the 50% level, right? It has been stalling, it has been ranging. Unlike from below here, it was giving very strong bullish candles, but it got here, then started ranging. So I'm just having that at the back of my mind that right now Euro USD is at a critical stage. Is at a very critical zone that we could see bear step back in and Euro USD will continue the bearish move. So it's very possible. And right now you can even see that the previous week candle gave us a very strong week right here. It gave a very strong week. Let me show you. It gave a week. This is the week I'm talking about. So it's also something to, just be mindful of. Then let's go to the daily. So you see, I've been able to establish that like on the higher time frame, Euro USD has been bearish and it's normal for us to expect to see continuation of the bearish move technically, you get. But then when you come to the daily now, you see that starting from like even way below, it has been bullish, right? It has been bullish. It gave a high here, a higher low. It has printed a higher high here. So it's almost as if we're expected to see a higher low here that should continue to the upside to print a higher high. You get? Because when you look at this structure that is going on right here now, you see that market has been giving higher highs and higher lows. So even though the bigger time frame is bearish, but even when you scale down a bit, you find out that the market is bullish, right? So I feel where Euro USD is at right now is a very critical place that one should be very careful. And it may take us like some weeks before we'll be able to see market take a proper direction, you get. Even some months, it's possible that we see Euro USD just range around here, around this place. Let me draw it out around this area. We just see Euro USD continue to range here until some major fundamental events break price out either to the upside or to the downside. Then we continue to see like a proper bearish or bullish move. So this is what I feel may happen on Euro USD. So on the daily, if you go down to let's say 4 hour, so let's just work with the bullish bias, right? Because right now I'll choose to work with the bullish bias, with the bullish sentiment, because lower time frame daily is bullish. Then we got to see this bearish correction, and then it's almost as if it has put in the lower low, or sorry, the higher low that we're expecting to see, and it may continue to push to the upside to create a higher high. You get? Now, when you now come down to a time frame like 1 hour, now you see that if you know in 1 hour time frame, we've been having this long bearish move. So why I feel this bearish move may have been like this may be the end of the bearish move for us to continue to see bullish moves because it is at a critical level here, and then it gave us like this bottom and price broke structure to the upside right here. So if you look at it, let's zoom and see what is going on. So you see that price go to this level, this green horizontal line I drew. It gave us this week. Liquidity was taken right here. And then we started to see change of character to the upside. The first change of character occurred around here. Price came back, retested, and pushed to the upside. So this was NFP news. NFP was what gave these very strong bullish candles right here. So price pushed to the upside and then broke this structure to the upside here. So this is one of the reasons why I'm expecting to see the bulls continue to take the market up to the upside. So for today, what I'm looking at on Euro USD is I'm going with the buy sentiment because of this low that was here, this break of structure to the upside. And if you look well, you see that there are a lot of liquidity that are yet to be taken out to the upside right here. So it's also something to be looking at. So these are the various places I've marked out for price to come into before I look for buys. There are actually various other blocks on 1 hour and 4 hours, I guess. So once price gets into this zone, I will look to take a buy to continue the bullish move to the upside right here. So, but my first target is this liquidity right here. This is my first target. So let's just see how it goes. So this is my zone. This is the zone that I'm watching. I'm watching this zone carefully. I'll just wait to see price come into this zone, then give a change of character to the upside. Then I'll look to place my buys. So that's what I'm expecting on Euro USD. But as I explained earlier, Euro USD is quite in a very like critical zone. So just be careful and then just take short trades, like just take jabs at the market, take what the market offers. You don't have too much expectation, too much target and all of that. So just focus on the process, forget about the money, forget about the RR, focus on the process, and then even 2 trades a week is fine. Like you get 2 good trades a week, it will give you like 4%, and 4% of your account in a week is very, very okay. Very, very cool. And 2 trades can do that for you. So it's not the number of trades you take. In fact, when you take too much trades, you're likely gonna make mistakes or you're likely gonna take more losses you get. So, and that may even eventually mess with your psychology and then you make more mistakes. and lose more than you're supposed to do. So just wait for the proper setup, wait for the A plus setups. Just wait for a setup that you're more comfortable with and then manage your risks always. Always manage your risks because sometimes even the A plus setup will fail. Like you will be looking at this setup like it's an A plus setup and you take it and then you still hit SL on it. So what will save you is your risk management. So that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful and I hope you got value from this. Please don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button, guys. You can also check the description. You'll find the link to my Telegram and I'll see you guys there. So cheers and bye-bye.